Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must begin with working Face ID and current iOS. This is non-negotiable. Once done, open Settings and verify Face ID is configured for device unlock. Then return to the app you want to secure. Many apps require you to enable an internal toggle labeled Face ID, Lock, or Privacy, so find that setting now. You're starting the authorization process. Make sure the app has permission to use Face ID when prompted. If no prompt appears, the app likely needs an update or built-in support. Now you'll enable the app-level Face ID option and allow iOS to link your biometric. First, update the app so it includes Face ID support. Older builds won't show the option. Then open the app settings, locate Security, Privacy, or Account. The Face ID toggle is usually there. Tap it, accept the iOS permission dialog, and authenticate with your face to bind the app to Face ID. This creates a secure keychain entry, so the app can request unlocks without storing your passcode. Finish by testing. Force quit and reopen the app to ensure the Face ID unlock appears. You should see the system prompt asking for biometric confirmation. If it doesn't work, toggle the app's Face ID setting off, then back on, and re-authenticate in Settings Face ID and Passcode. Make sure screen time or restrictions aren't blocking biometrics, and only reinstall the app if permission resets fail. Troubleshooting tip. If Face ID works system-wide, but not for one app, that app likely needs an update or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.